Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to start a sound halfway through a TikTok. So first of all, I'm gonna tapping on this plus icon and I'm gonna capturing a dummy video here, tapping on done, tapping on add sound, and I'm gonna tapping on the sound which I want to use on my video, tapping on done. After adding music, click on this down arrow and here you'll find the stream option, so tap on that and now you can adjust your sound and tap on done, and that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.